Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S21. By the way, this works also with the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. So for a screenshot, we have two ways for here at this phone. So the first one will work with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons together just for short, you will have a screenshot. After you can edit the picture directly or share it with WhatsApp and Telegram and so on. And one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together, and we will have a screenshot. And if we tap now here on the editing symbol, we have now the opportunity to draw maybe something inside here, and we can also crop here a part of the screenshot. Maybe if you just want to have the Google bar or maybe a picture from a website or something like this, it is possible. After you can share the edited part here directly or save it here with the arrow to your gallery. And as I said, there's a second way to take a screenshot by just using the edge of your palm. If you swipe it across the screen, you will have a screenshot as well. So one more time, use the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen, and you will have a screenshot as well. This requires a bit of training, but everything is possible, and you can do that, of course, very well. And after you can find your screenshots here at the gallery. And what is very nice here at the category albums, you will have an own folder just for screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.